third logical operator. For not operator, it is a unary operator. It's mean here or and or are both are binary operator. It's mean it's work on two condition, not single. But but in third, it is a not operator. It work only only one condition only. If you give a condition true, it convert the condition into false. If you give the condition false, it converts the condition into true. Are you able to understand? Yes. Let me go with third, and I'm going to give the value means condition. Let me give true. It's give you false. Yeah. If I give the condition false, it's will you true. Are you able to see? Yes. Alright. Yeah, its logical operator is complete. Let's move. I think I have not completed the relational operator detail. Yeah. For fourth one, it's not equals to. Enter for 4. Compiler tell me 8 is equals to 5. Compiler say true. Why compiler say true? I have said enter the not equal to 8 is equal to 5. No, it's mean true. Okay. For second one, for fourth, compiler tell me 5 is equals to 5. Tell me, do 5 is equals to 5? Yes, but compiler give you no, because I have run the condition for not equal to false. Yes. Yeah. Again run this program. First value is 0 and second value is 1. It's true because both the number is not equal. Again run this program. I'm going with third one. Okay. Tell me compiler 74 is equals to 74. Its compiler say yeah, 74 is equals to 74. Alright. I think I have completed it all. Run this program again. Going with bitwise operator. Do you know what is the use of bitwise operator in reality? Yeah. If you if you ever use the paint software in computer, you have the option of changing the color in a situation and tone color, like take the color of red. You have the option to take the any brightness part of the red color, and that brightness part is come from the bitwise operator, and bitwise operator is also used for decoding and encoding in the cryptography. Yes, bitwise operator is very important for our future. It's a basic, it's a one step of cryptography. Whenever you used to type any message in WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp saying that it is a encrypted, it means that when you send the message to your colleague, the message is converted into any other language, which is a high level language is also, that is a high level language, but it's converted with it's changed the character, it's the character size is increases. Like if you type a, the encryption, what the encryption do, add any character and make the character something else. A is converted to a f at the rate, it's mean z b at the rate, and the message is going through the internet by with 3 letter. When the your user, your colleague get that message in decoded form, when he see the message in a form of a, not any other. Okay, this is used by the bitwise operator also. I will show you encryption decryption in the second video. but for now I will only give you basics about bitwise operator. Take 4. Yeah, we have 5 bitwise operator: bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift. Yeah, this 4 and 5th part, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift, it is used to change the saturation part of the color. When it's show the left shift, in left shift, the value is increasing. It means the darkness increasing, the brightness get to decreasing. Yeah, the it's go to the black side of the color. And when we put the right shift, the value is decreasing. When the value is decreasing, it's saturating part. It's mean white side of the color. All right, I will show you. Let me show you. Open the paint part. Yeah, let me take a red. It is a normal part. Okay, it is a normal red. What is a normal red? Yeah, this is a normal red. Okay, solid red color. When I use the right shift, as you know, the binary number is decoded by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 for 64 in that way. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 64. It is going in a left side. Okay, when I use left shift, the binary number is shifted that times of left. Let me came here. Okay, let me close it first. I'm going to choose a 4 option, which is a left shift. Enter first value. It means that shift 4 2 times. Number of shift 2 times. The answer is 16. Do you know the value is increased? Okay, let me show you again. What is? Yeah, let me show you again. 4 part. 4. I'm going to 2 binary of 2 shift by 4 times. The value is increased. Alright, and again run this program. 4th part. Now I'm going to use right shift. Decrease the saturation. It means it goes to the side of whiteness side. Yeah, value is 5. Shift 2 times, right shift, the value decreases. Okay, are you able to see? The value is decreases, means the pixel of this, the pixel decrease, so the color will be white. Again run this program. Go with 4th part. Go with 5th one. I will choose 1 and shift it 5 times, right shift. It means the 1 is going to decrease. Let's see the what will the answer. It's become 0. Why? Because what is the binary of 1? 1. When it's shift 5 times, it's become 0. At that time, the color is already white. Able to understand? Yes. And here is also same things happen. Oh, sorry. Open this. Let me choose any color. Solid red. This is the medium of this solid red color. Okay. If I go up, the redness part is 225. Every pixel have 225, 225, 225. It means 225 for red, 225 green. No, the capacity of pixel is 225. It means it's going to adjust the ratio on the basis of their color. All right. When I go up, the value of the binary is going to decrease. When I go down, the value of binary is going to increase. Let me go up. Okay, the binary is going to, it's become white. Here the binary number is, what is the binary number of white is 1, and what is the binary number of black is very high. It will be 0. Here is a 0. I don't know why it's showing. Yeah, it's just showing 0 because it is nothing. It's not a binary number, it's a decimal number. All right. Okay, it's a, what is this? This is right shift, this is left shift. All right, are you able to understand? Yes, I think so. Well, we have our, yeah, we are going to bitwise or and XOR operator also. Run this program. Go with bitwise. Go with first one, which is bitwise and operation. Bitwise and operation. Let me give 12 and then give 12. Let's give you 12. Now let me explain you why it's 12. Let me open the notepad first. What's that? It was 12. Yes, binary 12 is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4. What is the value of 8 plus 4? 4 is 12. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 1. It means the binary of 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Alright. Again, I have chosen the second value as 12 also. Second value is also 12. So binary of 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. So binary of 12 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Alright. As you know, when the first condition is 1 and second condition is 1, the output will be 1 for and first condition is 0, second condition is 1, the output will be 1. It means, what is the rule of for AND operation? If any condition is false, then false. Yes. Yeah. Here is 0, gives you 0. Here is 0, gives you 0. Here is 1 and 1, gives you 1. Here is 1 and 1, gives you 1. The binary is 1, 1, 0, 0. What is the binary? What is the decimal number of 1, 1, 0, 0 is 12. That's why here, where is it? That's why yes, print 12. Understand? Yes.